So if you ever break off a bolt in your brand new Vance & Hines mini grenade exhaust, hopefully your dad has a awesome milling machine and can hook you up drilling this out. So we're gonna drill this thing out, rethread it, hopefully be good as new. So that's what's up. So we're gonna try a different approach here. Getting too much movement with the drill bit. So Dad's got a grinder that attaches to the drill press or milling machine. So we're gonna use that instead. Nice and smooth. See how clean that is? Hardly even took any paint off, and that wasn't from the grinder. Okay, so now he's gonna center punch a hole. This is to eventually extract this bolt. Alright, so you want to get as close to center as possible. And then now he's going to drill out a small hole. We're going to put the bolt extractor in and hopefully get this guy out. So he's got the new bit installed, center punched. Going to try to mill this out down the center and then use the extractor to finish the job. We're just gonna make sure we don't go through. There it is. So we got a hole. All right, so Dad's got all kinds of tools. He's got his extractor here. Got it threaded into the bolt. Now I'm just gonna hopefully pull this guy out. Oh, I saw him moving, I think. Oh, there it comes. Come on, baby. Wow, it's out. It's out. that's how it's done, folks. So, hopefully your dad can hook you up with a milling machine and extract and have all the tools, but if not, good luck, because that would definitely have been a beast with a hand drill. So that's my dad. He's just gonna get a tap-tap-roo here. Alright, so he's got the 1/4-20 tap. So we're gonna basically rethread this since some bonehead tried to just force a bolt to go in and cross-threaded it.
Nobody we know.
Yeah, I have no idea who did that, but created a lot of work for my dad. Jeez. Just gonna thread that guy in there. This is 1/4-20, so definitely make sure you know what bolt you need before you thread the thing. I did look at my Vance and Hines instructions, and luckily they told me it's a 1/4-20 by 1/2 inch bolt. So easy to get replacements and easy to figure out what the tap needs to be. Good as new. So we'll get this guy mounted and not cross thread it again. So thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Scuffed it up a little bit, but honestly it's on the back side, so it's gonna be real easy to put a little black paint on there and you'll never see it.